Hey everybody, look at this keyboard. I think it's time that I get a new one. I mean, I've got paint chipping off of these damn keys. This was just a cheap keyboard I got off of Amazon and it hasn't even lasted a couple of months. So it's time to recycle this baby. See ya! And now here's the moment I show you guys my brand new keyboard from Akko. Touch the fashion. I bought this from en.akkogear.com and I'll have a link to this website down there in the description for you to easily click it. This is totally non-sponsored, by the way. I purchased this with my own money because I needed a new keyboard, as you guys saw at the beginning of the video. So here is the Akko website I purchased from. I clicked products and then keyboard and scrolled down to the Sailor Moon one. And here is the Sailor Moon Crystal 3108 V2. You're gonna notice they are kind of pricey, as all good mechanical keyboards usually are. I'm not gonna lie, I had to do some research first to make sure that these are officially licensed Sailor Moon Crystal products, because looking at the website, it kind of looks unofficial. I mean, the image that they use right here is kind of odd. Not to mention, they claim this is a Sailor Moon Crystal collaboration. However, this is all 90s Sailor Moon artwork used on the actual keyboard. But pushing that thought aside, I decided to buy it anyway because they are officially licensed by Toei Animation. Ah, and look how beautiful the boxes that they come in are. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so you're seeing that there's also an additional product inside the box. They also sell mouse pads and wrist rests for Sailor Moon Crystal, or I mean 90s Sailor Moon. They also sell mice, and this one happens to be correct in that it is the Sailor Moon Crystal version of Luna. Alright, back to the unboxing. Akko packed them very safely and securely, so nothing arrived damaged. I was really pleased with the packing. Look at this beautiful Sailor Moon art on the box of the wrist rest. Little Luna! Little Moon Kitty Witty! Here is one side of the wrist rest box showing the licenses and the brand, and a quick glimpse of the back of the box. Ah yes, next up is the keyboard, and woo, is this a hefty boy. It's got some weight to it. They do come wrapped in plastic, so let's go ahead and remove that plastic wrap. Oh, what a gorgeous box! As you guys are seeing on the screen right now, there are some glossy parts to this box, like the lettering and the bow and Luna. Oh, it's beautiful! The front and back are exactly the same, and the sides of the box has the licensing info, and this one has an actual Toei Animation sticker on it. Alright, I can't wait any longer. It's time to get it out. It's time to get it out. So the box is actually just a little slip cover that you can slide out to just a plain black Akko box. Oh my god, we're so close to seeing this. It is beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit freaking out. Okay, I'm removing the keyboard from the box, and oh, there's a manual. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the English parts of this manual. I'm gonna flip through it very quickly, so if you want to read any of these parts, pause this video to read it all. Okay, that was the manual. Now let's get to this keyboard. I gotta see it. I need to see it. They really packaged this keyboard very nicely. It had several layers of protection inside the box. Y'all ready for this? Ooh, it is freaking amazing. I just gotta let y'all know how heavy it is holding it with one hand. It may not look it, but it is heavy. Soak it in, guys. Soak in the beauty of this keyboard. Look at that enter button. Look at the Luna. Look at the cutie moon rod. Eee! The keys are very beautiful. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the keyboard. It has the Sailor Moon logo on the back, as well as feet, where you can angle the keyboard up. Ah, it sits nicely on my desk. Now let's go ahead and get out the rest of the accessories inside the keyboard box. The first one is the cable, and it's nice and pink, just like the keyboard. It also comes with a keycap puller, and I'll show you a demonstration on how this works a little later in the video. It's time to set this puppy up. So I'm gonna unravel the cable here, remove the plastic caps, and get it plugged in. All right, we're all set. Let's go ahead and give it a test run, make sure everything is functioning properly. It's working! Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, while I'm thinking about it. All right, next up is the wrist rest. I'm gonna go cut the tape. I'll BRB. Tape has been cut. Are you guys ready for this reveal? Ta-da! This, of course, comes wrapped in plastic as usual. So I removed the plastic. It's squishy type gel stuff inside, and the fabric seems really good quality. And on the back, there is a little plastic film to remove for the sticky part. It's not really super duper sticky, but it helps keep the wrist rest in place. All right, guys, as promised, I'm going to show you how you can use the keycap puller to remove a key if you so desire to change them out. That's it. That's all you have to do. And I'm gonna put it back. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back right now. This keyboard is fantastic. I love the way it types. One thing that I'm going to have to get used to is how much louder this mechanical keyboard is than my previous one. Allow me to demonstrate with my horrible typing. I think you guys get the picture on how the keys sound when I type on it. I really love the feel of it. I mean, that's really hard to show you on video. Just take my word for it that the keys are wonderful. I'm really interested in knowing how long the paint on these beautiful keys are going to last. My last keyboard, which was obviously a very cheap one from Amazon, started peeling within a month. I hope that for the price I paid for this one will last for many years. We shall see. I'll have to update you guys later on as I use it. That's it for this video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each one of you out there. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and if you have time, please watch another video on my channel. Thank you guys again. I will see you in the next video.